We're going to be talking about a food chain. The story of a food chain. That's what the entire book is about. First, we're going to start with number 1 on the food chain is sunshine. Our sun gives out heat and light energy. Producers is number 2. Producers are plants because they produce their own food. They use energy from the sun and water and nutrients from the soil. They take in a gas called carbon dioxide. What is it called? Carbon dioxide from the air and gives out oxygen, right? And what we breathe. And we're going to flip over here. Number 3 is consumers. Animals are consumers. We are consumers too because we eat meat and plants, right? Animals are consumers. Instead of getting their energy from just the sun, wouldn't that be great? Just stand outside and get our nutrients. Instead of getting their energy from the sun and the soil, they get it from eating plants or animals. Many animals eat only plants. Some eat plants and other animals. And number 4 are decomposers. Decomposers are insects, microscopic animals, and fungi, like mushrooms, right? We saw the glowing mushrooms that eat dead animals and plants. As they do this, they break them down into smaller and smaller pieces so that the nutrients from something that was once living are mixed within the soil, like compost. Remember we talked about that too? That breaks down itself, right? And bugs and worms and all of that break it down. And number 5, the nutrients in the soil, so once it decomposes, it goes back into the soil. The nutrients in the soil allow plants to grow, continuing the food chain. So now we're going to go to the beginning of the book, and you're going to take a look through the jungle and see what is a consumer, a decomposer, and what plants are getting sunshine and producing fruit and vegetables, okay? It's a beautiful book. Once upon a time, there lived a jungle. A lot of stuff on these pages.
And I saw frog.
Once upon a jungle marched some ants. Once upon some ants prayed a mantis. Once upon a mantis, a lizard snapped. Once upon a lizard crept a monkey. Once upon a monkey, a planter pounced. A panther pounced. Sorry, reading upside down. Once upon a time, a panther grew old. And he's camouflaged, right? So the panther grew old. And once upon a panther, beetles roamed. And these are decomposers. Remember the bugs? Once under the beetles, the soil was richer. So see how it decomposed, and now it's in the soil. And then when the soil has all the nutrients, what can grow?
Flowers.
And plants, right? Once upon the soil, some seedlings grew. There's your caterpillar. Once upon a time, there lived a jungle. And in the jungle lived, this page, all these creatures too.
Hey, I can open the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Isn't it beautiful?
Actually,
There's a spider on the vine behind
And
the
a
sloth.
sloth. And these are called birds of paradise. And there's your red parrots and monkeys. And butterflies and different plants. There's blue
What's that?
Where?
What's the star?
And there's bats hiding inside the leaves.
Right here.
I think that's just a bug. And look, there's your panthers.
Oh, another panther.
Lots of beautiful things, right?
Oh,